Let's talk about the logo for your business or for your digital program. Maybe you're just getting started or don't have a logo yet, or maybe you're not happy with the logo that you have. Today, we're gonna go over some logo design principles, and I'll go over an amazing tool that you can use to finally have a logo that you're truly proud of. You're listening to the Online Course Show, where we dive deep into the strategies and tools that help online course creators build thriving businesses. I'm Jacques Hopkins, and over the past 11 years, I've built a successful online course business teaching piano, and I'm here to share the lessons I've learned along the way. Recently, I was talking with my clients in my coaching program about logos. The thing is that they are important and not important at the same time. And when I say not important, I just mean that there are far more important things for you to focus on in your business. I don't want you to be such a perfectionist about your logo that you never move forward in your business. My first logo for Piano in 21 Days, I made it in Microsoft Word and it was absolutely terrible, but I still sold a lot of copies of the course with that terrible logo. But it's important too in that it's the face of your brand or the face of your course. Sometimes your brand and your course are the same name and therefore the same logo, like Piano in 21 Days. Other times they are different, like with the Online Course Guy, the Online Course Show, and then my coaching programs, Genesis Courses, and Next Level Coaching. So it is important to an extent, and today I want to show you how you can have a logo that you're proud of so you can move forward to the even more important things in your business. As far as the logo goes, there are 4 key things that I want you to keep in mind. So first of all, don't make it too complicated. No more than 2 colors, no more than 2 fonts. Don't have a lot of bells and whistles. Err on the side of simple. Number 2, remember your target market. Everything about the logo should appeal to them. If you're teaching kids to read, it should be fun and playful. If you're teaching lawyers to up-level their careers, it should probably have a more professional vibe. The colors, fonts, and any graphics you use should appeal to your ideal customer. The third thing is, keep it flexible. There are a lot of places you could end up putting your logo. Sometimes you might want it nice and wide at the top of a landing page. Other places you might want to have a more square version of your logo. It's nice if your logo can be flexible for different use cases. And the fourth thing is it should be memorable. When they see your logo, they should think of you and the benefits that you provide to people. So if you keep those 4 things in mind, then what's the next step? Do you just open up Microsoft Paint and you start messing around? No, you listen to this podcast and you know you should outsource to an expert, so you open up Fiverr or Upwork and you hire someone. The problem with this is logo design is a very creative thing and it's so helpful to get multiple perspectives from multiple people. So what I recommend you do is a logo design contest. You may have heard about this, and the most popular one out there is called 99designs.com, so maybe you heard of that one, but that's actually not my recommendation. For less than half the cost of 99 Designs, you can get the same results by using 48hourslogo.com. I've used 48hourslogo.com for years. I've had many great logos designed there, and if you want to outsource your logo, I highly recommend you use it too. The cost is just $129 versus $299 for 99 Designs. You go there and you start their intake form. You tell them about your business, your goals for your logo. You select some example designs that you like, and so on. And then your graphic design contest starts. Graphic designers from all over the world will then submit potential logos to you. On their side, the way it works is they only get paid if you select their design as the winner. So they are motivated to do great work for you. But your job doesn't start there. A big key to the success of a logo design contest is you constantly providing feedback. Provide feedback on every logo submission that you get because they will work to make it better and better for you. Then after 48 hours, the next round starts. This is where you select 3 designers, not 3 logos, because some designers will submit multiple options to you. You select 3 of your favorite designers to continue the contest. From there, you continue to provide feedback to the 3 designers. I recommend you record a screen share video for all 3 of them, showing them all the submissions and what you like and don't like about everything. Then after this second round, you pick one final logo. Another tip is during the first round and second round, make sure you get second opinions. Reach out to friends, colleagues, or even your audience for which designs they are liking the best. Now, I do have an affiliate link for 48 Hours Logo, so if you're inspired to do a logo design contest over there, I'd appreciate you supporting my work here by using my link. It's oc.show/logo. By using that link, you'll still get that same $129 price. It's just that I'll get a percentage of that sale. So that is it from me for today. Happy logo making. Thanks for listening. And don't forget to take action on what you heard here today. I'm rooting for you.